Using FMEA to prioritize corrective maintenance and maintenance backlog. Detecting failure early is helpful, but it doesn't mean anything if you don't have a process for correcting that failure quickly and effectively. And FMEA helps you build this process. The first step is to identify failure modes with a high severity score. Corrective action should be done on this equipment as soon as possible. This list will allow you to build training materials and response plans so everyone is aware of how to react to failure.